கொடஞன் குடியிருந்த வீடும் கொடுத்த விழுத்தெய்வம் தேடியும் மள்ளி கொடுத்த அழகன் அறிவூட்டும் வெள்ளி விளக்கே விளக்கு
Good morning to all. Pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall strive to be worthy of it. I shall respect to my parents, teachers and all elders. Treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and all my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being, prosperity alone lies my happiness. Thank you to all.
இன்றைய குறள் மிகுதியான் மிக்கவை செய்தாரை தான் தம் தகுதியான் வென்று விடல். பொருள்: செருக்கினான் துன்பம் தந்தவரை நம்முடைய பொறுமையால் வெல்ல வேண்டும். மீண்டும் குறள்: மிகுதியான் மிக்கவை செய்தாரை தான் தம் தகுதியான் வென்று விடல்.
Good morning, I am Dashani from 12th F. Today's proverb is look before you leap. ஆழம் பார்க்காமல் காலை விடாதே. Persistence never fail. எறும்பூர கல்லும் கரையும். Don't judge a book by its cover. புத்தகத்தை அதன் அட்டையை வைத்து மதிப்பிடாதீர். Fight fire with fire. முல்லை முள்ளாலெடு. Even elephants do slip. யானைக்கும் அடி சறுக்கும்.
Hi everyone, this is Priyadashini from 12th standard. Now I am going to talk about APJ Abdul Kalam motivation quotes. Umbrella cannot stop the rain, but can make us stand in rain. Confidence may not give successes, but give us the power to face any challenges in life. If you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. Success in your signature, change to autograph. Thank you.
Devin Kumar of Bible reading, Psalm 128, 1 and 2. Happy are those who obey the Lord, who live by His commands. 2. Your work will provide for your needs. You will be happy and prosperous.
Happy morning, students. Today is your final day of your examination, August month test for classes 6 to 10. Okay, for classes 6 to 10, today is the last day. Wish you all the best for your exam. Please write it well and send the PDF. And tomorrow for classes 6 to 10 is PTA. Tomorrow is PTA for you. And 11th, 12th children, you have your exam. Okay, you have your revision as well as you have your test in the particular time which is already mentioned to you. It will be happening accordingly. Okay, so there is no change in that. Only classes 6 to 10 students and parents, you are welcome to come to school tomorrow with the answer sheet. If at all you have any problem in coming to school, we don't compel you. Okay, you can send the paper by post. If you come to school, come on, wear the mask, maintain social distancing, and then you can meet the teachers. Right? The school is open for you. You come and give the paper and get the paper. If you have any difficulty in coming, please send it by courier. Please send it by courier. It is not compulsory that everyone should come. Okay, please make a note of it. But the next week, you please don't come and give. You send it by courier, right? Okay. My dear students, a plant when it grows, it absorbs water. Okay, it absorbs water and it becomes a tree. Okay, till then it is continuously taking water from the ground. But a certain period comes, it starts to give fruits. It becomes a tree and it starts to give fruits. Same way, small children, now you are all enjoying, you learn everything. But a day will come, that day you have to give fruits. Okay, you have to give fruits. Lead a life of giving fruits to others. Make a great day. Thank you.